Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 27th, 2025, and we're diving into TD SYNNEX's fiscal 2025 first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TD SYNNEX has reported some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TD SYNNEX reported a revenue of $14.5 billion for the first quarter of fiscal 2025, marking a 4% increase from the previous year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
The revenue growth is quite solid, especially considering the constant currency basis, which shows a 6% increase. This indicates that TD SYNNEX is effectively capturing market opportunities, particularly in their endpoint solutions and advanced solutions portfolios.
And how about their profitability?
Gross profit came in at $998 million, slightly down from last year, with a gross margin of 6.87%. The margin contraction is primarily due to a higher margin mix in the previous year, but the company has managed to maintain a stable operating income.
EPS performance and shareholder returns. TD SYNNEX reported an adjusted EPS of $2.80, which is above the forecasted $2.64 by analysts. John, how significant is this beat?
This is a notable achievement. Beating the EPS forecast by 16 cents indicates strong operational performance and cost management. Additionally, the company returned $138 million to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends, with a 10% increase in their quarterly dividend, which is a positive signal for investors.
Regional performance insights. Let's delve into the regional performance. How did TD SYNNEX fare across different geographies?
In the Americas, revenue grew by 6.2% to $8.4 billion, with a stable operating margin. Europe saw a modest revenue increase of 0.4%, but operating margins were under pressure. The Asia-Pacific region showed a 5.2% revenue increase, but like Europe, faced margin compression. Overall, the company is expanding its footprint, but regional challenges remain.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you talk about TD SYNNEX's operational efficiencies and their outlook for the next quarter?
Operating income was stable at $305 million, but cash flow from operations was negative, primarily due to changes in working capital. Looking ahead, TD SYNNEX projects Q2 revenue between $13.9 and $14.7 billion, with an adjusted EPS range of $2.45 to $2.95. This guidance reflects their confidence in navigating current market conditions.
Key takeaways. In summary, TD SYNNEX has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with revenue growth, an EPS beat, and increased shareholder returns. Their outlook for the next quarter remains optimistic. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing TD SYNNEX's results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TD SYNNEX's performance in the comments below.